I've ran a grand total of 10 buckets. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a clean out of the sluice box, do a final pan down. So far we got some nice chunky gold. Right, sluice box is well and truly cleaned out. All of everything from the sluice is in this bucket. Excellent stuff. Okay, gotta work this down. Here we go. Let's have a look here. We know there's gold in here because I saw on the VideoPad. We're very gentle with this now. A lot of ironstone in there, which is good. Hopefully, aside from the piece we saw on the VideoPad, there's some more gold in here. Let's see how we're getting on. Oh, I see gold already. Oh, this has been a very good day! Yeah! Just for your close-up shot. Isn't that gorgeous? Right, so I cleaned out the snuffer bottle, show you all the gold I got for today. Hope you've enjoyed today's episode of Washing Rocks with the Box. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and sure, I'll catch you next time when we can all go find more shiny.